If y'all are watching this video, prime example of how people react to a flash flood. Miniature example is because the roaches are actually traveling and trying to escape. Climb up the walls, climb over everything. For example, look at these roaches over here. Their water's about to get on them and they're about to die. Yep, look at that. There goes the dead body. Look at all these dead bodies. And these ones here are still trying to find their way to evade. And they just keep going back and forth. See, look at that. It's a nice little science experiment, I guess. Oh, there's a dead roach there. He's down at the bottom. He's dead. Look at all those dead roaches. They keep finding a way to survive. Look like they're trying to swim their way out, but they ain't having a look. They're dying. All dead. Just look at all these. Big one right there. It's like, help me! I think he just gave up. Well, it's only a matter of time before those roaches go bye-bye too. And a couple more gallons of water will fill up. Anyway, it's a pretty cool project. Hope you liked the video. I'll record another video when it gets up to the